What do you expect from an elevator? Basically, not feeling that you're in an elevator, being able to move safely from A to B with no noise or vibrations, and, importantly, no breakdowns. Good maintenance will take care of that. Mitsubishi Elevator Europe has years of experience in providing a wide range of specialist and maintenance services for its customers. The elevators we maintain have the fewest defects or failures in the Netherlands and Belgium. We achieve this top quality by consistently applying a precise approach to maintenance and by using the very best materials. We have several stock depots throughout the country, ensuring 24/7 availability so that we can help our customers at a moment's notice. If an existing elevator is not running smoothly or needs replacing, our renovation or modernization services offer possibilities. Our replacement parts improve the safety and reliability of your elevator. This not only reduces the number of failures, but also your maintenance and energy costs. Our service aims to unburden customers wherever possible. We therefore always prepare a maintenance plan together with you to ensure that it meets your needs. The end result is an elevator that will go up and down for many years to come. Want to know what services we can offer you? Fill in your details and we will contact you as soon as possible.